Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be covering Python modules and then I will explain from import statement, from import star statement, and then I will explain how to create module for displaying Fibonacci series. After that I will explain types of modules. They are predefined and user defined modules. And at last I will explain what is use of this keyword, calendar and math module and Python module attributes, namespaces and packages. I provided all these topics and the timings in description. So before starting this video, please check in description. Guys, I have uploaded complete Python programming subject tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Module is a file that contains code to perform a task. Module is nothing but it is a file that contains code to perform a task. A module may contains variables, functions, classes, etc. This module is nothing but collection of functions or classes or variables. I will give one example. Let us create module. I am creating multiple functions because module is nothing but collection of functions or classes or variables. So I am creating multiple functions. As we know, we will create function by using keyword that is def, define. So at first I written def, define. I am giving function name. You can give any name to your function. For example, I am giving function name as fun. Take brackets, give colon. Now inside this function I am writing some statements like print, my name is Nagendra, print, I am from Hyderabad. So inside this function fun, I created two statements. They are my name is Nagendra and I am from Hyderabad. Next I am creating another function. So again write here def, let function name be fun1. So just I written here fun1, give colon, and inside this I am writing statement print, I am from India. Guys, you can create any number of functions inside module. I created two functions. They are fun and fun1. And next we need to save this file. As you know, we will save this file with .py. I am giving this module name as mod. This is module. I give a name as mod.py. This is nothing but module. I am saving this file in desktop location. This is how we create a module. Call this mod.py as module because it is collection of functions. After creating a module, we need to import this module. So by using import keyword, you can import any module. This is syntax. By using import keyword, you can import any module. So write here import keyword and write here module name. This is syntax in order to import module. So this is my file. I created this file in desktop location with name mod.py. Now open terminal in same location. For example, I saved this file in desktop location. So you need to open command prompt in same location. So I opened command prompt in desktop location. Now we need to open Python in command prompt. So just write here Python 3, that is Python 3rd version, and click enter. So whenever you click enter, it will open Python 3. Now inside this Python you need to write import. This module name is mod.py. So just write here mod. Guys, don't write here mod.py, just write here mod. That's it. So I written here import mod. Whenever you write here .py, it will display error. So avoid this .py and write mod. So whenever you click enter, it will open this module. So I open this module. Now I want to print the statements. My name is Nagendra and I am from Hyderabad. The statements are present in function fun. This function is present in module, that is mod.py. So just write here mod, that is module name dot. These statements are present in function fun. So just write here fun. So it will print statements which are present inside this function. What are statements? My name is Nagendra and I am from Hyderabad. Whenever you click enter, you will get output. It will print my name is Nagendra and I am from Hyderabad. This is my statement. For example, I want to print I am from India. So there is no need of writing import mod again because I already imported this module mod. So just write here. These functions are present in module, that is mod.py. So just write here mod dot this function name and click enter. Whenever you write here fun1 and click enter, you will get output I am from India. This is how we create and import a module. One more example. Let us create some functions. So just we will create functions by using keyword that is define. And I am giving function name as sum. You can give any name to your function. I want to perform addition. So I have given function name as sum. Inside sum I am writing a comma b. We call this a comma b as parameters. Now inside this sum function I am writing print a plus b. Similarly, I am creating another function. Now I want to perform multiplication. You can give any name. I given function name as mul, and inside this mul I am passing two parameters here a comma b and give colon. Inside this write print a into b, a asterisk b. And similarly, I am creating another function in order to perform subtraction. So I am giving function name as sub. Now inside this I am passing two parameters a comma b, give colon, and write here a minus b. After writing this, you need to save this module. I am giving this module name as file.py. You can give any name to your module. I given module name as file.py. Actually this is file, but we call this file as module because it is collection of functions. I saved this file in local disk D. This is how we create a module. Now we need to import this module. So I opened command prompt in same location, that is local disk D, and type here Python 3 because at first you need to open Python, and whenever you click enter it will open Python 3. Now we need to import this module. This module name is file.py. So by using import keyword you can import any module. So just write here import and this module name is file. Don't write here .py, just write here file and click enter. Whenever you click enter it will open module, that is file.py. Now I want to perform addition, that is a plus b. This statement is present in function sum and this code is present in module, that is file.py. So just at first you need to write here module name, that is file dot, this is module name, and this a plus b is present in function sum. So just write here sum. Here you need to give values of a comma b, and whatever the values that you give here, we call these values as arguments. Here I am giving a value as 10, that is argument 10, and next b value is 20. These are nothing but arguments. And whenever you write here file.sum of 10 comma 20 and click enter, you will get output a value is 10 and b value is 20, so you will get output 30. This is my output. For example, I want to perform subtraction. So there is no need of importing this module again because I already imported this module. So just write here this sub function is present in module, that is file.py. So just write here module name, that is file dot function name, that is sub. So inside sub I am writing I want to perform subtraction. So I am giving here two arguments there, 10 comma 20. What is 10 minus 20? That is minus 10. So I will get output minus 10. For example, I want to perform multiplication. So just write here module name, that is file dot function name, that is mul. So write here mul, give two values there, 10 comma 20, and whenever you click enter you will get output, that is 10 into 20, that is 200. This is my output. This is how we create a module and import a module. Next I will explain what is use of from and import keyword. Same example which I took before. This is module. I saved this module in local disk D. So open command prompt in same location, that is local disk D. So I opened cmd in same location, that is local disk D. So at first you need to open Python. So just write here Python 3 and click enter. So whenever you click enter it will open Python 3. Now inside this we need to import module, and this module name is file.py. So by using import keyword you can import any module. So just write here import module name, that is file. Now I want to print multiplication. So just write here module name, that is file dot multiplication mul of two values 10 comma 20. So whenever you click enter you will get output. Normally this is how we print output, and definitely for each and every function you need to include module name. So that is module name file dot function name mul. And similarly, for example, if you want to perform subtraction, so again you need to write here module name file dot subtraction, that is sub of 10 20. So instead of including module name again and again, you can use from and import keyword. So instead of writing like this, you can also write like this. So open Python, and here you need to write from module name, that is file. From module file I am importing functions. For example, I want to perform only addition and subtraction. So there is no need of importing multiplications. So just write here import. I want to perform only addition and subtraction. So you can import only these two functions, sum comma sub. That is from module file I am importing function sum and function sub. So in order to perform addition there is no need of writing file.sum. There is no need of including module name. So just you can write here sum, and here you can write 10 comma 20. So there is no need of including module name again. So whenever you write here sum of 10 comma 20, you will get output 30. This is use of from and import keyword. For example, I want to perform multiplication. So just write here sum comma sub comma mul. Because this function name is mul, so just write here mul. So now you can perform addition, subtraction and multiplication. I will explain what is use of from and star. What is use of from and star symbol. For example, I want to import all these modules. So I written here sum, sub and mul. So whenever you write here sum, sub and mul, it will import sum, mul and sub. But instead of writing all function names, just you can include here star. So just write here from file import star. This star symbol is used to import all functions. This is use of star symbol. In order to import all functions or classes, you can use star symbol. So just I written here from file import star. Now you can perform addition or subtraction or multiplication. It will accept. Next I will create module for displaying Fibonacci series. At first it will take 0 and next it will take 1 and it will add this 0 and 1. 0 plus 1 that is 1 and again we will add 1 plus 1 that is 2 and again 1 plus 2 that is 3 and 2 plus 3 that is 5 and next 3 plus 5 that is 8 and again 5 plus 8 that is 13 and 8 plus 13 that is 21 and next 21 plus 13 that is 34. This is Fibonacci series. Now we will create module. So at first I written def define. You can give any name to your function. Here I want to find Fibonacci series. So I given here function name as fib and I written here n. N is nothing but value. How many times you want to print. For example, if I give here n value as 10, so it will print 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whenever I write here 10, it will print 10 values. After importing this module, we will give this n value. So just I written here n. Starting two values are 0 and 1. So just I written a equal to 0 and b equal to 1. 0 plus 1 that is 1. I am storing result in sum. So just I written here sum and initially I took sum as 0. Guys, definitely give your indentation or else it will display error. So again I took here for loop. In order to print complete series, you need to take for loop. So I written here for I in range. For example, if I give n value as 10, I should get value starting from 0 to 10. Starting from 0 to n. Just write here range 0 comma n and give here colon. Next write here print. After performing addition, we are printing only result, that is sum. Result is stored in variable sum. So just write here sum. Don't give quotation marks because the sum is variable name. I want to print output in single line, that is by separating with space. So just write here end equal to space. That is nothing but in quotation marks give space. Guys, if you just write here sum, then you will get output like this 0 in next line 1 and again in next line 1. So you will get output line by line because by default print statement will take /n. So I written here print sum comma end equal to space. Guys, at first a value is 0, b value is 1 and sum is nothing but result. So result is 1. So next time when you perform addition, so this b value became a and next sum became b. So I written here a equal to b. A equal to b is nothing but b value is a and next I written b value is sum. So just write here b equal to sum and next now sum value is b and next result is nothing but a plus b. So just write here sum equal to a plus b. This is Fibonacci series. So this is module. I am giving this module name as fibo, fibo.py. This is nothing but module name and I am saving this file in desktop. So open command prompt in desktop location. Now you need to import this module. As I already said before, by using import keyword we can import any module. So just write here import and module name is fibo.py. Don't write .py, just write here fibo and click enter. And whenever you click enter, it will open fibo.py. This program is present in function fib. So just write here module name, that is fibo dot function name, that is fib. So whenever you give here fibo.fib10, it will print Fibonacci series up to 10 values. So you get output starting 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and 34. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is my output. This is how we create module for Fibonacci series. Modules are classified into two types. They are predefined modules and user-defined modules. Modules which are created by users for his requirement is known as user-defined modules. For example, if you consider previous example, here in this example I created module, that is file.py. I created this module for my requirement. So we call this module as user defined module. Modules which are already present in Python is known as predefined modules. These modules are already present in Python. For example, keyword module, math module and calendar module. These are some of the examples of predefined modules. These modules are already present in Python. That means there is no need of separately creating these modules again. Just by using import keyword, we can import this module and we can use. For example, I want to print 2023 calendar. So just to open command prompt and open Python 3, There is no need of separately creating calendar module. Just we can import this module because it is already present in Python. So just write here import module is calendar. So just write here calendar. Calendar. I want to print 2023 calendar. So after writing import calendar, this is calendar module. So just write here module name, that is calendar dot. I want to print calendar. So in order to print output, just write here print. Inside print I written calendar. This calendar is module dot calendar. For example, I want to print 2023 calendar. Just write here 2023. And whenever you write this and you click enter, you will get output. It will print from January to December. Complete calendar it will print. This is use of calendar module. And next I will explain what is use of keyword module. Keyword module is used to identify keywords that are supported by Python. Total there are 33 keywords supported by Python. So in order to print keywords supported by Python, just write here import module name, that is keyword. After writing import keyword, just write here print. Inside print function write keyword.kwlist, where this keyword is module name dot KW list. KW list is nothing but keyword list. Total there are 33 keywords supported by Python. So it will print all those 33 keywords like if, elif, else, try, while, with, next to true, false, so on. So it will print complete 33 keywords. And next I will explain what is use of math module. In order to perform mathematical calculations, we can use math module. So just write here import math. For example, I want to perform square root. So just write here math, that is module name dot sqrt, that is square root of, I want to perform square root of 16. So just write here 16. Whenever you write here math dot square root of 16 and click enter, you will get output, that is 4.0. This square root will represent output in the form of float. This square root is nothing but function. This sqrt function is used to perform square root. For example, I want to perform power. So just write here math dot power. This POW function is used to identify power. I want to calculate 2 power 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Just write here 2 comma 3. That is nothing but 2 to the power of 3. Whenever you click enter, you will get output 8. For example, I want to perform factorial. So just write here math dot factorial. I want to find factorial of 6. So just write here 6. And whenever you click enter, you will get output. 6 factorial is nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 720. So I'll get output 720. For example, I want to find sine. So just write here math dot sine of 1. Not only sine, you can find cos, tan, so on. So whenever you write here math dot sine of 1, you will get output 0.84. This is use of math module. In order to perform any mathematical calculations, you can use math module. Instead of writing import math, you can also write like this. That means I am using from and import keyword. From math import, I want to perform square root, factorial, log, power, sine and cos. So I am importing all those functions. So there is no need of including module name before function. So directly you can write sqrt 16, factorial 6, log 10, power 2 comma 3, sine 1, cos 1, so on. So this is my output. For example, I want to print all functions available in this math module. So just write here from math import star. Star means it will import all functions. So you can perform any operations by using any functions. Guys, this math module is important question. Math module is a standard module in Python and is always available. Standard module is nothing but this module is already available in Python. To use mathematical functions under this module, you have to import module using import math. This math module contains various mathematical functions. These are various functions supported by math module. Just remember all these functions supported by math module. So this is power. I already explained this power. Square root, a cos, a sin, a tan, and next cos, sin, tan, cos h, sin h and tan h, so on. Just remember all this. These are various functions in math module. Python module has some attributes and these attributes perform some tasks and contain some information about module. These are some of the important module attributes. I will explain each of them, and we represent module attributes with underscore underscore at starting and underscore underscore at the end. At first I will explain what is use of name attribute. So at first open command prompt and open Python. Now I am importing math module. So just write here import math. So whenever you write here import math, it will import math module. And next I am writing here math dot underscore underscore name underscore underscore. This name attribute returns name of the module. What is module name? That is math. What is module name? Math. So you'll get output math. For example, I did not import any module. So just I opened command prompt and I opened Python. I did not import any module. Just I am writing here underscore underscore name underscore underscore, and whenever you click enter you will get output main. So you will get output underscore underscore main if you do not import any module. This is use of name attribute. Next I will explain what is use of doc attribute. Doc stands for document string. For example, consider this file which I already explained before. For example, let us consider this module contains comment, that is, this is module. This module name is file.py and this module is present in local disk D. Now I want to open this file. So just write here. So just open command prompt and open Python. Now I want to import this module file.py. So just open command prompt and open Python. Now inside this write import. This module name is file.py. So just write here file. And next I am writing file. This is module name dot underscore underscore doc, where doc stands for document string. Whatever the comments that are present inside my module file.py, it will display all those comments. So whenever you write here file dot underscore underscore doc underscore underscore and click enter, you will get output. This file contains only one comment, that is, this is module. So you will get output, this is module. So in order to find any comments present in my module, you can use doc attribute. Next I will explain what is use of file attribute. In place of writing doc, just write here file. So that is underscore underscore file underscore underscore. Where doc attribute is used to identify comments available in my module, and whereas file attribute is used to identify location. So this module file.py is available in local disk D. So you'll get output local disk D, and this module name is file.py. So this is my output. So in order to find location of particular module, you can use file attribute. Let's find what is use of dict attribute, where dict stands for dictionary. Each and every object in Python has attribute, which is denoted by dict attribute. I imported math module, and next I written here math dot underscore underscore dict underscore underscore, and whenever I write this and I click enter, this is my output. Next I will explain what is use of dir function, where dir is powerful function in Python. Where dir is a powerful inbuilt function in Python 3. For example, if you give any object, then this dir function will return all attributes and methods supported by that particular object. Either it can be functions or modules or strings or any other object. This dir function will return attributes and methods of that particular object. This is syntax. Just write here dir. This is function. So inside brackets, you can give any object name. This dir function behaves differently with different type of objects. For example, in dir function, if you write class objects, it will return list of names of all attributes. It will return base attributes too. This is when you include class objects in dir function. And whenever you include modules in dir function, then it returns names of attributes supported by that module. If no parameters are passed, whatever the names that are present inside scope, it will return all those names. This is how dir function behaves differently with different object. This is example. Here I am not importing any external libraries. Just write here print dir. Whenever you write here print dir, this is my output. It will print all those attributes. They are built-in attributes, document, file, next name, package, so on. This is example with importing external libraries. For example, here at first I am importing math module. So just write here import math. Next I am importing import random. This random is also a module. And next I written here print dir. So whenever you run this code, this is my output. You will get all attributes, and at last it will print math and random. These two are modules which I imported before writing print dir. So it will print math and random. For example, before print dir, if I write here a equal to 10, these are all names present in my scope, and as well as at last it will print a, where a is variable name. I will explain namespace. Namespace is nothing but collection of different names. That means we must give different names for variables or functions within the program. This is example. I want to perform addition between 10 and 20. So I'm storing this value 10 in variable A and value 20 in variable B. I took two different variables. And whenever I write here print A plus B, I'll get output 30. For example, if I take here same variable name for two different values, so I'll get wrong answer. So definitely we must take different variable names within the program. Not only for variable names, even for functions, we need to take different function names within the program. This is meaning of namespace. Namespace is nothing but collection of different names. Let's consider this example. Here there are two modules. One is first.py and another one is second.py. This module first.py contains function that is fun. Inside function fun there is statement that is hello. And similarly second.py, this module contains function fun and this function contains statement that is print btech. Inside command prompt I written Python 3. And whenever you write Python 3 and you click enter, it will open Python. Now I want to import these two modules. So whenever you write here import first, it will import first module. And whenever you write here import second, it will import second module. For example, I want to print btech which is present in second.py module. And this btech is present in function fun. So whenever you write here function fun, as well as this module first.py contains function fun and second.py contains function fun. So whenever you write here fun, this program will get confused. Either it should print this function or this function. So in order to overcome this problem, we need to include module name. So this function fun is present in first module. So whenever you write here first.fun, you will get output hello. And whenever you write here second.fun, so you will get output btech. That is why we need to include module name before writing any function name. So just I written here first, which is module name dot fun, that is function name. So in order to resolve this ambiguity, we must include module name before any function name. Namespaces are classified into three types. They are built-in namespace, global namespace and local namespace. I'll explain each of them. In order to check all predefined names of built-in objects available in Python, just you need to type this command. Just type here dir and open brackets. Inside dir function, you need to write underscore underscore built-ins underscore underscore. This built-ins attribute will represent predefined names of all built-in objects available in Python. So this is my output. All these error names comes under built-in objects, and again compile, complex, copyright, credits, all this comes under built-in namespace. So global namespace consists of any names in Python at any level of the main program. This is definition of local namespace. What is local variables? Variables which are declared inside the function is known as local variable. The function uses the local namespaces. The Python interpreter creates a new space within the function in execution. That is nothing but it will create namespace within the function. Guys, this is program for local and global namespaces. Here at first I written num, where num is variable name that equal to int of input of enter number. Whenever I run this line of code, I will get output enter number, and here I can enter any integer value. For example, if I enter here 2, whenever I enter here 2, then I should get output whether this number is even or odd. So inside this print I written even odd num, where even odd is function. Inside this I written here variable that is nothing but num. This is function. I am writing separate code inside this function. So at first I written here def define. This function name is even odd. This function contains only one argument, that is num. So I written here even odd num. Now inside this I am writing separate code in order to print whether number is even or odd. So whatever the parameter that are written inside this even odd function, that is num, we call this num as global namespace because we took this num outside the function. So we call it as global namespace. And inside this I written n equal to num. That means I am changing this num to short name, that is n. Now we call this n as local namespace. Variables which are declared outside the function is known as global variables, and variables which are declared inside the function is known as local variables. This num is declared outside, so we call this num as global namespace. Now I changed this variable name num to n. Now we call this n as local namespace. And if we divide any number with 2 and if we get remainder as 0, so we need to return even number, else return odd number. Here I given 2. So 2 1 are 2, remainder is 0. So I will get output even number. This is program for global and local namespaces. Next I will explain Python packages. Python module is nothing but collection of classes or functions or variables. And whereas package is nothing but collection of modules. If you place different modules in single folder, we call that folder as package. Python module may contain several classes, functions and variables, etc. Whereas a package can contain several modules. In simple terms, a package is folder that contains various modules as a file. Let us create one folder. That folder name is country. Inside this folder, I am placing three modules. One is india.py. This is one module. And next one is america.py. Let's consider this india.py contains two functions. As we know, we'll create a function by using keyword that is define, and I am creating function that is Telangana. Inside this function, I am writing statement that is print I am from Telangana. And again, I am creating another function that is define Andhra. Inside this function, I am writing statement that is print I am from Andhra. This is India module. Next, I created another module that is america.py. Similarly, america.py contains two functions. They are Alabama and Washington, and this Alabama function contains statement that is I am from Alabama, and whereas this Washington function contains statement that is I am from Washington. These are two modules, and again we need to create another module that is init. So just create here underscore init underscore dot py. Create this module and don't write anything inside this module, just create that module. Whenever you place these three modules inside this country folder, then we call this country as package. Guys, this underscore init underscore dot py helps Python interpreter to recognize that this is package. Now this country folder is nothing but it is package. This init.py helps the Python interpreter to recognize that this folder is package. If this package country is present in desktop, then you need to open command prompt in desktop location. For example, let us consider this country folder is present in desktop location. So open command prompt in desktop location. Open Python by typing Python 3. Now inside this, write import. By using import keyword, you can import packages or modules. I want to import package. So just I written here import package name that is country. So country, and I want to print I am from Andhra. This I am from Andhra is present in module that is india.py. So just write here country, that is package name dot module name India, and I want to print statement that is I am from Andhra. This I am from Andhra is present in function Andhra, and this is present in module India, and this module is present in package country. So write here package name country dot module name that is India dot function name. Andhra is present in function that is Andhra. So just write here Andhra, and Andhra is function, so you need to include brackets. Whenever you write this line of code and click enter, you will get output I am from Andhra. At first I imported package country and module India. For example, I want to print I am from Washington. So at first you need to import package that is country and module name that is america.py. So don't write py, just write here America. So it will import package and as well as module. Now I want to print statement that is I am from Washington. So just write here package name that is country dot module name America dot function name that is Washington. So include brackets at last. And whenever you write this line of code and click enter, you will get output I am from Washington. Whenever you get package question in exam, you can write this example.